Assalamu alaikum, this is RPH Fia. With the continuity of the previous video, this is the next part of the diabetic series, oral anti-diabetic drugs or non-insulin anti-diabetic drugs. The next classification is bigonides. Drug included metformin, most commonly used anti-diabetic drug in the clinical practice in Pakistan. Insulin sensitizer, as it sensitizes the release of insulin. So you can link either it is used in type 1 or type 2. It increases the glucose uptake and used by target tissue. Decrease insulin resistance. Its mechanism of action: metformin activate AMP activate protein kinase, reduce hepatic glucose production by the activation of AMP-APK, that is a protein kinase, or simply you can learn it from the protein kinase. It activates the protein kinase, so it reduces the hepatic glucose production and lower the glucose level. When the glucose level reduce, there's no rise of the glucose level in the blood, and where there's no glucose in the blood, there's no diabetic symptoms or no diabetic complications. And what are the diabetic complications? Diabetic ketoacidosis, lactic acidosis. Now actions: impairment of the renal gluconeogenesis. What is the gluconeogenesis? Gluco means glucose, neo means new, and genesis means formation. Slowing of glucose absorption from the GI tract, so glucose absorption is slow. Increased glucose to lactate conversion by enterocytes, direct stimulation of the glycolysis in the tissue. Increased glucose removal from blood and reduction of the plasma glucagon level. At the starting of the anti-diabetic series, I will tell you about the function of glucagon and its role in diabetes. You can see it from the first or the second video. Okay, ADME, orally well absorbed, as you all know. Half-life is 1.5 to the 3 hours, excreted by the kidney or by the urine. Impair the hepatic metabolism of the lactic acid, so it will form or it will precipitate out the lactic acidosis. The main ADR of this drug is the lactic acidosis. Increase the risk of the lactic acidosis. The dosage of the metformin is 500 to a maximum of 2.55 gram daily. That is recommended dose. ADR, GI related, which occur in up to 20% of the patient. Vitamin B12 deficiency, renal failure. In the renal failure patients, lactic acidosis.